everyone, good morning. Going into the question 1. Yes, moving to the question 1 here. Predict the output if the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here what is the output here for this program? And I am going to copy this one. And what is the output here? If the input is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The options are going to be like this. The options are 5, 4, garbage value, and 6. 5, 4, garbage value, and 6. And here, if you observe here, I'm reading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is going to be print. That means it is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These index only, right? These index. This is 0th index 1, 2, 3, 4. But here it is going to be accessing that A of 6 here, A of 6. It is going to be print A of 6. Definitely it is going to be a garbage value. It is going to be a garbage value. For example, if I'm going to execute it, the output is going to be garbage value, right? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes we know that if the answer is 5 or 6 or anything, that is going to be here, just it is 22, right? Sometimes it is maybe other value. Sometimes it is going to be 6. Don't think that that is not a consistent value. It may be changes every time. Here, the garbage value is going to be 6. It's 22. It's 22. Sorry. For example, if it is going to be 7. Here it is going to be 0. Like that, it is going to be some garbage values always. Here we are reading the data from the keyboard, right? User is entering the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why it is giving garbage values. For example, here I'm going to give you here by defaultly like this. Now, what is A of 6 value? If it is going to be A of 6 value is going to be 0 now. Just observe here, the A of 6 is going to be 0. Why? Because this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? When you are declaring the values at the time of initialization, all the remaining values here, here A of 10, right? A of 10 up to the 10, up to the 9, all the values are going to be 0 automatically. By default, now the answer is going to be 0. Okay. For example, if it is a 9, it is also 0. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? If it is manually reading here, we are going to check the value that is going to be a garbage value. If it is declared at the time of initialization, it is going to be 0. Okay. For example, here it is going to be 9 and 10 here. The index, it is going to be 0 to 9 only, but there is no 10th index, right? There is no 10th index. If I am going to execute it, just observe here, it is not 1 here. It may be garbage value. It is going to be garbage value. It is going to be garbage value. It is going to be garbage value. In any other language, if it is Python or Java, in any other language, here what is our bound? Here the bound is going to be from lower bound is 0 and higher bound is 9, right? If you are accessing beyond the bound, it is giving that array index error here. In any other language, in C, it is going to be giving the other value and it is going to be some garbage value. It is not going to give any error here. Clear? Yes, we already posted the yesterday recording class. Okay. This is about the first question. Moving on to the second question, the answer is going to be garbage value for the first one. Okay. And what is the output of the following code snippet? This is an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A of 5 passing here, and what it is going to be written, what it is going to be print here, what it is going to be print. I already discussed about what is A. A is an array when we are going to print A means we are passing array to the function as an argument. It is always an address. It is always an address. Here I am passing the address and this is the size here. And if I'm going to print A, if I'm going to print A is the address of first element. I already discussed, right? I already discussed about this thing. It is A means address of the first array. A means address of the first value in the array. And star represents value at that address. Value at that address. What is the value at that address? The first one, that is going to be 1. The answer is going to be 1 here. Clear? If it is only A, we have to tell the address of the first value. Address of the first value. That is the address of the first value. And here I am going to write star A that indicates a value at the address. If I am going to write here A plus 1, what is the answer? A plus 1. What is A? A is, for example, some 552, for example, 552 plus 1. What is 552 plus 1? We are thinking that 553. No, integer, right? That is an integer. That's why we have to add 4 bytes. Then it becomes a 556. I'm going to return here 556. Just observe here. I'm going to print the first 2. First one is A and A plus 1. I'm going to print here. First one is 552 and the next one is 556. 4 bytes different, right? And then I'm going to print star A and star A plus 1. That indicates what is the next value here? 2, right? It is going to be print 1, 2. First value and the next value. Clear, everyone? What it is printing? This is about second problem. Moving to the third one. Moving into the third one. Here, the array is consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are calling one function. After that, we are going to print what are the array values. And moving into the function, what is happening in the function? If there is no function, it is going to be print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Here we are doing something here. And what is happening here? What is, for example, here in the function definition, especially in the function definition, what are the modifications are done on the array that are reflected back to the main function? That is the advantage here. But that is, for example, I'm going to change here int, size is equal to some 10. Here, for example, size is equal to 2 here, for example, okay. Here I'm modifying size is 10 here. Here size is, for example, 5. Sorry, here it is size is going to be 5 and I'm passing size here. Okay. What is the size? Size is 5 and passing the size here and I'm changing size is equal to 10 here and I'm going to print what is the size. Printf after that I'm going to print what is the size value here. Okay, if I am going to execute it, just observe here the answer is 5 only, the answer is not 10. Here the size is 10. I modified it as a 10, right? Here I modified it as a 10. But that is not reflected back to the main function. If you observe carefully, the modification is not reflected back to the main function. Why it is not reflected back? Here there is two different type of calling here. That is the call by value and call by reference. Here I am calling that fun of A. A is an array. Array means that is an address, right? we are passing it as a reference. We are passing the address. Here the next one is going to be size. Here the size is simply a variable I'm passing, that is the only value is passing here. If I change any modifications on normal variables that are not reflected back to the main function, but here the array is address, I'm passing if any modification done on the array on the function definition that are reflected back to the main function. That is my concept here. Clear everyone? What modifications done here? What modifications done? For example, I is equal to 0. What are the values? The values are going to be like this, right? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the index values are going to be this one. Okay. First of all, initially I is at 0. I is at 0. And what it is going to be do? A of I is equal to A of I plus 1. Just observe here. A of I is equal to A of I plus 1. What is the value here? What is the value? The value is 1. 1 plus 1, then it becomes 2. Then I is moving into the next line. It is 2. 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. It is moving into the next value. It is 3. 3 plus 1, it becomes 4. It is moving to the next value. It is 4. 4 plus 1, it becomes 5. Moving to the next value, it is 5. 5 plus 1, it becomes 6. And it is coming out. And what are the modifications here? The modified value is going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why the answer is going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear everyone? Okay, once I check that, and definitely I will post the videos, the yesterday videos especially. Okay, I will work on that. If there is not the videos are not available, definitely I will post it on by afternoon. Okay. Question 2. What is question 2 here? This one, right? The answer is going to be 1. The answer is going to be 1. Why it is 1? Whenever we are working with the array, we are passing an array that is called address. Address. A means address. It is going here, and I am always tell that if you are want to print what is array, not a of 0 or a of 1. Just simply I'm going to print a here. A represents address of the. It represents the address of the array. Address of the first element. A means address of the first element. A plus 1 is address of second element. A plus 2 is address of third element. A plus 3 is address of fourth element, like that. Okay. Here I'm going to write A. That is the address of first element. And before that, star A. Star represents. I'm already discussed about what is star represents. Star represents value at that address. What is that? Value at that address. At that address. What is the what address it is containing? First of all, A means the address of the first element. What is the address of first element? What is the value? That is 1. That indicates, that's why it is going to be print 1 here. The answer is going to be 1. The answer is going to be 1. Clear? Going to the fourth question. Just observe here. Again, the same similar type of question, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I here, and fun of A. Again, we are doing something here. We are doing something, and it is going to be print after the function call. What happened here? What happened here? Again, the same type of question. The values are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the index values are going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I is initially at this position. Just observe. Okay. Here A of I is equal to A of I plus plus. What happened here? What happened here? A of I plus plus. What is I value initially? I value is initially at 0. I value is initially at 0. Just observe here. A of I is equal to A of I plus plus. What is A of I? A of I is 1 here. Instead of here, I am going to write I is incremented. I is incremented. Check it. I is incremented. Then I is incremented means what is the value it is containing? What's the value it is containing? It containing 2, right? It contains, then that means I is moving into this position. I is moving into this position. A of I, now A of I is going to be 2. That 2 is going to be placed to this position. That 2 is moving into this position. Then I is at now I is at this position, right? Then again I plus plus it leaves this one. If it leaves this one and moves to the next position, and it moves to the next position, and it moves to the next position, then at this position A of 2 is equal to A of 3. What is the value here? What is the value here? That is going to be replaced here. That's why it is going to be 4 4. Then it is jumped to this position. Now, what are the values after 5? What are the values after 5? It is declared initially, right? That's why it contains some garbage values, and it contains some garbage values, and it is going to be modified with 0. That's why the answer is going to be 22440 is the answer. 2244 is the answer. 2244 is the answer. 22440 is the answer. Is it clear, everyone? Moving to the next question. Again, the similar question, right? Again, the similar question. Here, the same thing what is happened when it is going to be a function call, and here the values are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and these are the index values. These are the index values, and I is at this position. Here I is incremented by 2 times, and here it is incremented by 1 time. Total 3 increments are there. E of I is equal to E of I plus plus. Nothing happened, I think. I think the values are not modified, I think. E of I is equal to E of I, then I is incremented, right? Nothing is happened here, I think. Just observe here, I is incremented after the I value is, for example, E of I is equal to E of I, then I plus plus. That means 1 is incremented, then I is moving into the next position. Then here I is equal to I plus 2. That means it is going to be moving into this position. Then here 4 is going to be replaced with 4, and it is moving like this, and the values are same values. I think the values are same values, 1 2 3 4 5. There is no modification at all. Clear, everyone? I think. Yes. Moving to the next question. Yes, the values are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The values are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is moving here. It is moving here. It is moving here, and P is equal to, this is going to be malloc, that is going to be dynamic memory allocation, that is going to be. Nothing is happened here. What is the size? Size is 5, right? Here it is going to be declared that P of 5, that's it. Here it is an array declaration using this. What is the size? Size is 5, right? That means it is declaring P of 5, that's it, nothing else. And here, just observe here, what are the values in A that are copied into P here, that are copied into P, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the values are copied into P of I here. And here it is going to be print what are the values inside P of I. That's it, nothing else. The same values, the exact values, what are in A that are in the PI. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, what I am doing here, just simply copying array values into another array. That's it. Just with this line, nothing is happened. Nothing is happened. What is the size here? Size is 5, right? Here I'm passing 5. That's why the size is also 5. And it is declaring like this. That's it. Nothing else. Clear? Sometimes it is going to be malloc, right? It is going to be malloc, and sometimes it is going to be calloc. Sometimes it is going to be calloc. Here size comma. That's it. Size comma. Okay. Here also the same thing. Here also the same thing. No doubt about that. Okay. Okay. Then moving to the next question. The next question is going to be okay. There's some difference here, right? What it is, I'm going to copy this. Yes. Here I am passing the array values. Here I am passing the array values, and it is returning some P here, and I am going to print the P here. What is the array of values? And here it is going to be a malloc size of, that means it is also same P of 5. And then it is copying the values, but in some different manner. What is happening here? Here the values of A are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the index are going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I is at this position. P of 0 is equal to, just observe, P of 0 is equal to A of 5 plus plus. What is A of 5 value? The A of 5 value is 1, 1 plus plus. That means what is the value in A? All are incremented by 1 itself, and it is added to the P. That's it, nothing else. 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. 1 is incremented as a 2, and it is initialized to P of 5. Then 2 becomes 3, it is added. 3 becomes 4, it is added. 4 becomes 5, it is added. 5 becomes 6, it is added. The answer is going to be 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear everyone, I think. A similar type of question again. Just simply there is nothing. We are not reading anything here. Just simply allocating what is size here. Size is 5. That means ARR of 5. This line indicates nothing else. ARR of 5. That's it. Without reading the values. Just simply I am printing the values. What is the values here? For example, here ARR of 5. What is the values? Just simply when we are working with malloc, if you want to print the values, always it is going to be a garbage values. Always it is going to be garbage values. The answer is always garbage values. Okay. Not 5 zeros are printed. It is 5 garbage values are going to be printed. If it is CLOC, the syntax is going to be like this. The main difference for malloc and CLOC is going to be this one only. It is all zeros. E of 0, the values are all zeros here. That is the main difference for malloc and CLOC. What is that? The initial values when you are working with malloc are garbage values, but with CLOC it is going to be zeros. Clear? That means malloc is going to be malloc is equal to like this. That is int ARR of 5. Int ARR of 5. If I'm writing like this, just simply I'm going to print the values. It will be print garbage values. For example, if it is malloc, if it is it's going to be CLOC. It is going to be declared like this. ARR of 5 is equal to 0. CLOC is equal to this one and malloc is equal to this one. If I am writing CLOC, the initial values are going to be zeros, and if you write like this also, the initial values are zeros. Clear everyone? Why it is garbage values? That is syntactically they are giving that garbage value. That's it. Okay. And moving into the next question, yes, the same question, right? CLOC. The question is going to be CLOC. With the use of CLOC, what is happening here? That's it. All the garbage values. That's it. 5 garbage values will be printed. Sorry, if it is CLOC, right? CLOC, it is going to be print. All 5 zeros are going to be printed. Coming to the next question. What it is going to be print? Just observe here the array values 2, 3, 4, 5. I already discussed about what is A plus I. ARR is address. Address plus 0. I value is initially 0, right? Then ARR plus 1. Then ARR plus 2. ARR plus 2 plus 2. ARR plus 3. ARR plus 4. These values, right? Is going to be print. ARR plus 0, ARR plus 1, ARR plus 2, ARR plus 3, ARR plus 4. ARR is the address. And it is the second values address. And the next node's address. This is the next values address, and this is also next values address. It is always address, and the difference of each address is going to be 4 bytes. Each value is here different by 4 bytes. If you observe here, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68. If you observe here carefully, right? And here there is one star here. There is one star here that represents star represents value. what is the value at this address, what is the value at this address, and it is going to be print the array, the same thing, nothing is happening here. It is going to be print the values what are in the array, that's it. What are in the array, it is going to be print, that's it. And I'm going to tell you one thing here. Here star, we can write, we can print array like with ER of I or I of ERR and star ERR plus I, or I can write star I plus ERR. We can print all these values, we can print. We are axing the array values, that's it. Nothing is happening here. We are going to print array values. We are going to print array values. Yes, writing is also available. Is also there in the in DXC. We are going to give you the access by today or tomorrow. We are going to give the access for that one also. Okay. That is not a typical one. Just for example, some topic is there. Just simply type whatever you know, and just type and try to write maximum words. That's it. Nothing else. It is not going to be check any content related or anything. Just type some content. Okay. That's it. That is not a typical one. We are going to give. We already have some portal on essay writing. Essay rating on the same page. For example, here only we are going to give you the access of the essay rating by today only. I think we already discussed in the yesterday's session. Here in this page, what is that? Reloading rate. In this page only, we are going to give you the access of that essay rating session. Okay, here practice sessions. Here I'm going to give you the access of essay rating. Okay, write-x, that is called write-x. Just click on here and you can find that write-x portal. Okay, I will give you the link by today and to the end of the day. Okay, that is not a problem. Practice at least 4 to 5 essay ratings. That's it. That is more than enough. Okay. In Kyndryl, in the last year, we got only that English verbal ability only. We don't have any aptitude and reasoning and coding. I will intimate the question. I don't have first question, second, third, and fourth one. This one, right? The values are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is going to be the index values are these values, and I is at this position. Okay. And ERR of I, that means ERR E of 0 is equal to, first of all, E of 0 is equal to, then I is incremented. I is initially 0. 0 plus 1, that is going to be E of 1. E of 0 is equal to E of 1. What is E of 0? This position, right? At this position, we have to place E of 1. What is E of 1 value? That is 2. And we are changing the value of e of 0. Okay, here if you observe I is incremented, right, then it moves here and then it comes to this line and it is again I is moved to here. That's why this 2 is not modified. This 2 is not modified here. And now e of 2 is equal to e of 2 is equal to e of plus I. Then I is incremented. Then e of I means a of 3. What is a of 3 value? That is 4. That is going to be a of 2. Then I is incremented again and coming to this position. That is e of 4 is equal to e of 5. What is a of 5? There is no value of e of 5. But here, if I'm writing like this, the value is going to be 0 and it is replicated with a 0 here. That's why if I'm going to execute it, the value is going to be 22440. Clear? About fourth question. Discussed about this one, this one is also finished. Okay. Analyze it. What is the above algorithm is doing? Above algorithm is doing. Analyze the following algorithm and fill the blank that follows it. Repeat for I minus 1 to n. Find is equal to your array. Then print find the location. Return find the end of the loop. If I is greater than n, I is does not exist. End of the statement. ARR is the array which is the number of elements and find the value. It is going to be such. It is going to be an example of linear search. I think what is happening here? I to n. Nothing. It is just simply it is a linear search algorithm. That's it. Nothing else. What is the values? For example, the array is going to be like this. The array is going to be like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is telling that repeat for I minus 1 to I. Sorry, it is I think I is equal to 1 to I think I minus 1. Is this I minus 1 to n? I think some mistake is there. I is equal to 0 to n, I think. And find is equal to error of b. Then print the find location. It is checking each and every value here, each and every value, and it is moving to the last value. Then we can tell that the element is not found. That's it. It is checking index by index. For example, I is at this position and it is checking like this value by value. And if the element is found, it is going to be written at what index it is. If it is not available, it is not printed. If you know binary search, definitely it is not. Definitely it is going to be a linear search. And again a C program. What it is going to be print here, what it is going to be print. I is equal to 10 and 20. I is equal to 10 and 20. And the address we are going to be placed here. Just observe here. I is the address, no doubt about that. I is an array, right? I is the address. That address I am going to store at P here. What is I? I is the address of first element. This is the array, right? I is the address of first element. That means, for example, the address is going to be 552. That address is going to be placed in P. That address is going to be placed in P. And what is the value at star P? That is going to be 10. No doubt about that. The value is going to be 10. Here, star P means 10 and that is incremented. That means it is going to be 11. That means it is going to be 11 here. Okay. Now it is going to be print 0 and 20. 0 and 1. That means it is going to be 11 and 20. It is going to be print 11 and 20. If you observe here, it is going to be 11 and 20. The first answer is going to be Y plus plus star P. Going to be 11, I think. Yes, it is 11, not, but in the answer it is not available. Sorry for this. The answer is 11 only. Yes, it is 11 and 20. 11 and 20. And P is incremented. P is incremented. What is P here? P is the address of first value, right? P is the address of first value. P plus plus means it is moving into the next value and it is going to be printed 20. The answer is going to be 11, 20, 20 is the answer. 11, 20, 20 is the answer. But I think there is no options. 11, 20, 20 is the answer. Okay, I think that is the mistake in MCQ, right? It is going to be 11, 20, 20. Are you clear here? First of all, it is representing the first value's address. Then plus plus means it is moving to the next value's address. Then I am going to print star P. What is the second value? Second address value, that is 20. That's why it is going to be print 11, 20, 20. Clear, everyone? Okay. Yes, I think it is eligible for all branches. I will confirm with placement department and I will inform to you what is the eligible branches for Kyndryl. I think it is eligible. I think all the branches, I think. Not all the rounds. First of all, the MCQ round of the DXC is going to be done in one day. That means each and every session is going to be open. First of all, first of all, the verbal ability, reasoning, arithmetic. Okay, the written test, what is going to be happen in one day, and the result is going to be giving on the next day or that day evening. The result is going to be giving that day evening. Within 2 to 3 days, they are going to schedule for the interviews. Only one round of interview, and it is a maximum of 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. If you are very good and the interviewer is very bad, then the interview is going for 20 minutes. Most probably 10 to 15 minutes of interview only. That is a single round interview. After that, in 2 days, within 2 days, the result is going to be happen, and who are selected for DXC or not. That's it. Within the span of 4 to 5 days, the total process is going to be done. Clear? Skill up coder. Okay, I will ask once again the development team, and I'm going to give the access to the skill up coder. Okay. No, DXC, in the last year, they are not going to take huge from the Kyndryl. DXC is better, very easy to crack. And Capgemini is very easy to crack. I cannot assure that what is about Kyndryl. I don't follow up that Kyndryl here. Okay. I know about Capgemini and I know about DXC. And these are very easy to crack. Really, I don't know about Kyndryl. Okay. But about DXC, it is very, very easy. Very easy to crack. In the last year, if you are non-IT students, so many students and the mechanical, I think mechanical, agriculture, civil, approximately, I think 50 plus students are placed here, I think, non-IT students. Especially mechanical, civil, agriculture. petroleum also two or three students are selected. They don't know when they are coming to the before training, they don't know what they are going to be right also. They attended the sessions. What we are taking here, and they are attempting the exam. That's it, nothing else. After written test, we are conducting mock interviews for all the 710 students are placed. 710 students are cleared the written test. 700 plus students are cleared their written test, and we conducted mock interview for all the students. Within 2 days, we conducted mock interviews for all the 700 students. And here we give some rating on that, and from that only the students who are selected from DXC. We are giving just say about Capgemini. Capgemini is going to be in the first round. In the first round, it is 25 questions and it will be 25 minutes. Here the plus points of Capgemini exam is there is no, for example, all the questions are in single page only. In the single page only, like this. We can scroll it down. 15 questions in one window, 15 questions in one window, and 10 questions in another window. Okay. 10 questions from data structures and 15 questions from pseudocode. If you are non-IT student, don't go for these 10 questions. Just be focused on these 15 questions only. Go to the pseudocode questions and try to solve that 15 questions. If you try that, definitely you clear all the 15 questions. That much easy, and it will take some time. That's it. That's why better don't go for these 10 questions. Okay, you are non-IT student. If you are non-IT student, don't go for the data structure questions. Go for the pseudocode questions and try to solve each and every question on that. It's very easy. Okay. Then if you write 10 perfectly, that means you are shortlisted for the next round. If you are shortlisted, then only the next round will be open. The Capgemini. Okay. Then that is going to be verbal ability. This is the most typical one, I think, in the Capgemini. If you are good in English, that is not a big problem here. Okay. Again, if you are clear this round, then you are able to go. Then the next round will be open. That is gaming session. We are also give here the link about gaming session, and I think we are in the here only in the practice test. We are going to give here how to practice and what are the exact games they are going to be given Capgemini. We are going to give the access here. Okay, in today or tomorrow. Okay, about Writex portal, that is essay rating in DXC we are going to give, and the gaming session we are going to give here. Clear, everyone? And the Capgemini also, the interview is very easy. It is also 10 to 15 minutes of interview, and it is very easy to crack. How many students are participating in the last year DXC? 900 plus students are participating in the, that means eligibility to write the written test are 900 plus students. 700 students are shortlisted in the written test, and 402 students are qualified that they got the job. Okay. The DXC test is written in college or home. I think it is a purely online. You can write in anywhere. That is purely online. That means you have to write on the system only, not on the paper. Okay. You can write, I think up to now the information is you can write from anywhere, or in home or college or anywhere you can write. Yes, nearly 900 plus students are participated in the first round. 705 students are shortlisted in the written test, and 400 plus students are got the job. What about game-based aptitude questions? Yes, we are going to give you here. Okay. Agriculture students are eligible for Capgemini. I think all the batches. I think There is no negative marking DX and Capgemini. Yes, Rambabu sir is waiting, I think. Just Rambabu sir, please hand over the class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, is my voice is audible? Sir,
Okay, okay.
my voice is audible, sir. Hello.
Sir. Okay.
Sir, is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Screen is visible, sir.
yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. When did the drive for DXC exit date? I think this month 12th or 13th. Okay. So good morning, everyone. Today I am going to discuss DXC test number 5. So already I was told in previous classes in DXC some of the bit bank is there. Okay, some bit bank. So some bits are repeated number of times. So some tests. So that's why some tests means some of the tests are some bits are repeated. Okay, don't worry. So in DXA also. So this is only original bit bank. So find the next number in the given series. So this problem is already explained in previous classes. So first one, what is here? First take the difference. Means first of all take the given series is 3, 11, sorry, 3, 11, 25, 45. Next one. What is here? First one, take the difference. Between 3 and 11 difference is 8. So 11 and 25 difference is 14. 25 and 45 difference is 20. What would be the next difference? If you observe the double difference, so 8 and 14 means adding 6. 14 and 20 again adding 6. So definitely the next difference is adding 6. So what is the difference? 26. If the difference is 26, the next number it should be 45 plus 26. So answer is 71. So given the options, B is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. So find the next number in the given series. This bit Sari is already explained in previous class. So what is the logic here? Simply sum of the digits is 9. So this is only single digit. Sum of the digit is 9. Second case 54. 5 plus 4. Sum of the digits is 9. And 1 plus 3 plus 5. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 means sum of the digits is 9. 252. 2 plus 5 plus 2 is sum of the digits is 9. Given the options, B is the correct answer. Means sum of the digits 4 plus 0 plus 5 is 9. Okay, Sir is already explained in previous classes. Okay, so logic is sum of the digits is 9. Move on next one. S, analogy. So analogy means find the logic between first two and same logic is applied to third one to get fourth one. First take the logic between first two. So what is first two? A17R is coded for D12P. First of all, write down with respect to numbers. A is 1, R is 18, D is 4, and P is 16 in the English alphabet. If you observe the middle letter, what is the middle letter? So if you observe the middle letter, the difference between the first and last letters. The difference between the first and last letter. So 18 and 1, the difference is 17. The difference is 17. Here also 4 and 16, difference is 12. So what is the logic, sir? So first of all, observe here, A is changed to D. So A is changed to D means adding 3. And R is changed to P means subtracting. What is here? Subtracting 2. So same logic is applied to third one to get fourth one. So difference is taken as means middle letter is taken as difference of first and last letters. So what is here given the letter here? G. So G is G7N. So G is 7. So N is 14. The middle letter or middle number is difference between first and last letter. 7 and 14 difference is 7. Okay, clear. So what is here, sir? So observe the options. So J3M. So J is 10, M is 13. The difference is 3. J2L. J is 10, L is 12. The difference is 2. H3K. So H is 8, K is 11. The difference is 3. Which option is correct, sir? So already logic is there. First letter adding with 3 and last letter subtracting 2. So first letter adding with 3. So 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 means 10. So 10 means which letter? J. Okay. Next one, N. So N minus 2. Last letter subtracting 2. So subtracting 2 means 14 minus 2. So 14 minus 2 means 12. Yes, this is the L. The middle number is difference between first and last letters. Difference between first and last letter. So 10 and 12, the difference what is here? 2. So J2L is the correct answer. Given the options, C is the correct answer. Okay. So first of all, find the logic between first two. So the middle number is difference between first and last letters and in the same word. And next one, A is changed to D means adding plus 3 and R is changed to P means subtracting 2. The same logic is applied to third one to get fourth one. Finally, answer is J to L. Okay. So move on next one. Yes. So find the odd man out. So from the given anagrams, select the odd man out means given the choices. So what is odd man? So odd man means 3 are following a particular pattern, whereas fourth one is completely different from the remaining. Choose that one. So go for first option. So what is the first option? So sometimes using means select the rules, alphabetical order rule, vowel rule. Okay, sometimes not used. So you can find directly not used. Okay, okay. So first of all, check that first option. So C5H. So C is 3, H is 8. Okay, and the difference is middle number. Difference is the middle number. Go for second option, E6L. So E6L means E is 5, L is 12. Difference. So difference is in this case 7, but here given 6. Go for third option, M4Q. So M is 13, Q is 17. The difference is 4. Yes. Go for last option, T3W. So T means 20, W means 23. So the difference is 3. Okay. So every time, sir, go for odd man out means choose the alpha means first one gap rule and second one alphabetical order rule and third one vowel rule, sir. No. So you can choose the options. Okay, or see the options. So you can find the answer directly. That case not used for every time what is the gap rule, alphabetical order rule, vowel rule. Okay, you can see the options. Okay, you can choose the correct answer means odd one out. That case not use every time these rules. Okay, yes, you can choose here simply not applying here gap rule or any rule. Okay, using gap rule, yes. So you take gap rule. Okay, not possible. So go for alphabetical. Check that one by one. So you can see the options, so you can directly find out the answer. Means here first and last letter difference is the middle number. So only option B is different from the remaining options. Means option A and C and D are following same rule, and D is different from the remaining options. So sorry, B is different from the remaining option. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, so every time use a gap rule, vowel rule, or alphabetical order rule. Okay, so you can see the options. You can directly find the option. That case, not use those rules. Okay. Yes. Next one. Yes. So from the given anagrams, select the odd one out. So first one, what is given? Triangle. Triangle means having three sides. Okay. Triangle means having three sides. So go for second option, square. Square is having four sides. Go for pentagon. So pentagon is having five sides. Okay. Circle. Circle is having no sides. So given the options, so three are following same rule, means having sides, and option D is different from the remaining. So directly option D is the odd one out. Okay. Yes. Yes, you can see the options. You can directly put the option, pick the option. Okay, that case not use every time gap rule, alphabetical order rule, or vowel rules. Okay. Next one, move on. Next one. Yes, this is coding and decoding. No, here this is the odd one, odd man out. Okay, so from the given anagram, select the odd one out. So this problem is already explained. So what is the logic here? So first of all, given the word taken as a meaningful word. Okay, given that word converted into meaningful word. So what is the meaningful word? This is football. And this is, there is no meaningful word. And this one is cricket. Cricket. And this one is tennis. So all are here related to games, means option A, C, D are related to games, means following a same pattern. Option B is different from the remaining. So you can choose option B is the correct answer, means odd one. Okay. This problem is already explained in previous classes. Okay. Next one. So this is the coding and decoding. So eagle is coded as FZHKF. Then thanks is coded as. I can take the word is eagle. EAGLE. The code word is FZHKF. First of all, write down with respective numbers. So E is 5, A is 1, G is 7, L is 12, and E is 5. The code word is F is 6, Z is 26, H is 8, okay, K is 11, and F is 6. So observe that here 5 is changed to 6, means adding 1. 1 is changed to 26. So 1 is means A is taken as either 1 or 27. Okay, A is written as either 1 or 27. So 27 is changed to 26, means subtracting 1. Again 7 is changed to 8. 7 is changed to 8, means adding 1. Okay, 12 is changed to 11, means subtracting 1. And 5 is changed to 6, means adding 1. So what is the logic here? So given that logic is plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1 until repeated. Okay, the same logic is applied to given the word thanks. THANKS. So T means 20, H means 8, A means 1, N means 14, K means 11, S means 19. Adding plus 1, 20 plus 1 means 21. Okay, wait. Next one. 8 minus 1 means 7. 1 plus 1 means 2. 14 minus 1, 13. 11 plus 1, 12. 19 minus 1, 18. In English alphabet, 21 means U, 7 means G, 2 means B, 13 means M, 12 means L, and 18 means R. So finally answer is UG, B, M, L, R. Given the options, A is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Move on next one. So this problem is also already explained. So what is here? So based on process. So first I have to take what is here? Wheat. So this is first Goduma. Okay. After that take flour. Flour means Goduma pindi. Okay. After that adding water. After mixing means the three items wheat, flour, and wheat is converted into flour and flour and water is mixing. The resultant is called kneading. Okay, the mixer is called kneading. Finally, bake. So wheat means 5, flour means 3, water means 1, kneading means 2, and baking means 4. So 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. So 5, 3, 1, 2, 4 means given the option C is the correct answer. Okay, this is based on process. Okay, move on next one. S. Charu is facing south. Okay, Charu is facing south means this direction. She walks 20 meters towards her left. Charu is facing south direction means in this place. She walks 20 meters towards her left. So this is the south direction facing south. So this is the that person right hand and this is that person, sorry, this is that person left hand and this is the right hand. Suppose facing north. So facing north means this is left hand, sorry, this is left hand, this is the right hand. So facing south means this is the right hand, this is the left hand. So Charu is facing south. Okay. She walks 20 meters towards her left. Towards her left means in this direction. Okay. So towards left means 20 meters. And takes right turn to walk 10 meters. Takes right turn. So takes right turn means what is here? So this is the right turn. And so this is the 10 meters. Okay, extends in this line. So this is the 20 meters. This is the 10 meters. And then she takes another left turn and walk 30 meters. So another left turn. So another left turn means here taken as in this place or here. Yes, so left turn. So she move on here south direction. So left turn means in this. So this is the left turn. Okay. So what is this here? 30 meters. So in which direction she is standing now from starting point? Okay. So if you observe the starting point, final position is in which direction? Okay. So this is the direction. If you observe the starting point, finally, she is facing which direction? So which direction here? So this is the east, west, north, south. So this is the southeast direction. So finally answer is southeast. Okay. So once again here, Charu is facing south. So facing south means, so this is that person right hand and this is the that person left hand. She walks 20 meters towards her left. Towards her left means moving east direction. Okay. So moving east means 20 meters towards east. And takes right turn. So right turn means again walks south. Okay, 10 meters. Then she takes another left turn. So another left turn means this is also south direction. So left turn means towards east. So towards east moving to 30 meters. Okay. So in which direction she is standing from the starting point? So if you observe, this is the starting point, this is the ending point. So in which direction means southeast direction is the correct answer. Okay. With respect to starting point, this is the starting point, this is the ending point. Suppose with respect to ending point, starting point is which direction means answer is what is northwest. Okay. Yes. Understood or not this problem? The written test at home or college?
Written test. DXC.
Only time is 6 p.m. is closer.
మామూలు DXC test లా
Okay, in company written test home or college, I don't know. I think college. Classes on games, sir. Today doubt session class. Today or tomorrow. Okay, doubt session class. Sir is explained. Chaitanya sir is explained the games. Okay, don't miss the class today and tomorrow. Today and tomorrow. Okay, today explain the 7 to 8 Capgemini or IBM. Okay, so present. Okay, I'll explain Capgemini or IBM. Okay. So don't miss everyone here. Today 7 to 8 p.m. Sir is explained IBM or Capgemini. Yes, so many students give the answer. Some of the topics are not opening in Explorer, sir. Okay. Articulate as articulate content. Some of the topics means English or reasoning or aptitude. Verbal or reasoning or arithmetic. Okay. End of the class, I will explain. Move on next one. S. Sunita moves a distance of 9 meters towards east. So distance of 9 meters towards east. So this is the east direction, 9 meters. She then moves towards south and travels a distance of 4 meters. So this is the south, travels a distance of 4 meters. From here, she moves a distance of 6 meters towards west. So 6 meters towards west means this is west direction, 6 meters towards west. How far is the starting point from her final position? So here, extension this line. So this is the 4 meters. This is 6 meters. This is 3 meters. So find the distance between starting and ending point. Okay. I can write in this place. Suppose this is starting point. This is ending point. Find this distance. So this is 3 meters. This is 4 meters. So if you observe, this is the right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse equals to square root of side square plus side square. So what is here? This side is, suppose this is A. So hypotenuse means SE. So SE equals to square root of SA square plus AE square, means side square plus side square. So SCA means 3, 3 square means 9, and AE means 4, 4 square means 16. Square root of 9 plus 16 means 25. Square root of 25 means 5. So SE is the 5 meters. So the distance between the starting point and ending point is 5 meters. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next one. Faisal is standing at a point A facing north. Okay, facing north. So this is the facing north. This is the left hand. This is the right hand. Faisal is in this position. He walks 15 meters to his left. To his left means move on west direction. Okay, move on towards west. So move on towards west means in this place 15 meters. And takes an about turn. So about turn means rotate 180 degrees or so about turn means rotating 180 degrees or turning back means in this position to direction is changed means in this position. Okay, and walks 30 meters. So and walks 30 meters means here east direction means this is 15 meters and this is also 15 meters. Okay, about turn means rotating 180 degrees or turn back. Okay, so this is the starting point. This is. So how far and in which direction is E from the starting point? So how far means what is the distance is 15 meters. With respect to starting point, this is which direction? East direction. So 15 meters east is the correct answer. Okay. So Faisal is standing at a point A facing north. So facing north means this is the left hand and this is the right hand position, that person. So he walks 15 meters to his left. To his left means towards move west. And takes an about turn. So about turn means rotate 180 degrees means turn back. And walk 30 meters means 30 meters means towards east. Move towards east 30 meters means uh, intersect the starting point and move additionally 15 meters. Okay. So finally, which direction is starting point and ending point means 15 meters and east. Okay. Next, move on next one. Okay. So, let's try. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Yes, son-in-law is the right answer. So P is the father of R. So P is the father of R. So R is here. P is the father of R. So P is male taken as plus. Okay. P is the father of R means R is taken as son or daughter of P. So but R is not his son. So definitely R is the daughter of P. So your condition is given R is not his son means definitely R is the daughter of P. Yes. So M is the spouse of R. So M is the spouse of R means R's husband is M. So this is the wife and husband relation. So how M is related to P? So how M is related to P? What is son-in-law? Okay. So means daughter's husband. So daughter's husband means son-in-law is the answer. Good, very good. Move on next one. Okay. Yes. So this is the data sufficiency. What is the problem question? So when is Mohit's birthday? So when is Mohit's birthday means find the date on Mohit's birthday. So going to statements. First statement, he was born after 19th but before 25th September. So after 19th means taken as the 20th, 21, 22nd, 23rd and 24th. So this is the information means he was born after 19th but before 25th September. Those dates are Mohit birthday. Okay, but exact date is not given. So using the first statement, you can't find the Mohit birthday. Using first statement means first statement is wrong. Okay, using the first statement, you can't find the Mohit birthday. Go for second one. So second statement, what is? He was born in a leap year. So leap year means year 2004 or 2008 or 2012 or 2020. Using second statement, can't not find the year also, not find the Mohit birthday. Means second statement is also wrong. So both statements is wrong. So once here combine two statements means statement 1 and statement 2. So combine statement 1 and statement 2, you can't find the Mohit birthday. Okay, two statements is wrong. That case here both statements is adding. Suppose statement 1 is give the answer means sufficient in the problem question. Second statement is not adding the first statement. Not combined means okay. So first statement is wrong. That case adding second statement. Here both statements is wrong. So once check that here both are combined. So both statements is combined but not find the Mohit birthday. So simply both statements even put together are not sufficient. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Move on next one. Yes. What is the problem question? Ionization energy decreases with increasing size of metal atom. So ionization energy is decreases with increasing size of metal atom. So out of cesium, lithium, potassium and sodium, 4 atoms is given, metal atoms. So the increasing the size of given that atoms means cesium, lithium, potassium and sodium. That case ionization energy is decreases. So in this the problem question is ionization. Okay, ionization energy increases inversely proportional to. So what is here? Size of or size simply size of metal atom is decreases. So in this, which will have lowest ionization energy? Given that atoms cesium, lithium, potassium, and sodium, which will have the lowest ionization energy. Means find the, so which will have lowest ionization energy means find the size is more. Okay, that atom. Okay, so lowest ionization means size is more compared to remaining atoms. Find that one given that atoms. So go for statements. Understood or not? Your problem question. So ionization energy is decreases, so size is increases. So ionization energy is increases, size is decreases. So given the problem question, you have to find the lowest ionization energy. Means find out the, given that atoms, find the biggest size in that atom. Okay, so lithium has smallest size. So here 4 atoms is given: cesium, lithium, potassium, and sodium. So lithium has smallest size, but you can't find the biggest size in given that atom. Okay, so using first statement, so on directly on statement is given lithium has smallest size out of 4 atoms. So using this statement, you can't find the biggest size of atom. So statement 1 is wrong. Yes. So using first statement, only one condition is given. So lithium has smallest size. What about remaining 3? You can find the your biggest size of remaining 3 atoms. No, means statement 1 is wrong. Okay, so coming to the second statement, so the size of cesium and potassium is greater than lithium. So lithium is smallest. Okay, suppose adding okay, second statement, so the size of cesium and potassium is greater than lithium. Suppose this is the lithium position, greater than cesium and potassium. Okay, using second statement only, not adding first statement. Listen everyone, using second statement only, you can find the your biggest size of given that atom. No, so second statement what is given? So cesium and potassium is the greater than lithium. So lithium is here, so greater than in this place. So using second statement, you can't find the highest size of, means biggest size of given that atom. So your second statement is also not sufficient. That case, both statements are adding. So statement 1 and statement 2 is adding or combined. Both the statements. You can find the answer. No here. So cesium is, sorry, lithium is smallest and remaining 2 is greater than lithium. So combines 2 statements, you can't find the answer. Means you can't find the biggest size of atom. So simply both the statements even put together are not sufficient. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Okay, understood here? Data sufficiency means suppose statement 1 is sufficient, statement 2 is doubt, but some information is having statement 1, statement 2 is also right, not taken. So statement 1 is wrong. That case combine the statement 2. Clear everyone? Yes. చూడమ్మా, ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే ఒకసారి తెలుగులో చెప్తాను చూడండి. స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 అనేది రాంగ్ అయిన సిచ్యువేషన్ లో మాత్రమే స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 లో కొంత ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంది. సో స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 లో కూడా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంది. ఆ రెండు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్లు యాడ్ చేస్తే వస్తుందంటే అప్పుడు స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 ని మనం యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. అంతేగాని మనకు స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 నుండి ఆన్సర్ వస్తే, ఓకే, సో స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 లో కొంత ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంది, బట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 అని మనం యాడ్ చేస్తే కూడా ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటే తీసుకోకూడదమ్మా. సో ఎప్పుడు తీసుకోవాలి అంటే స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 అనేది రాంగ్ అయితే దట్ కేస్ కంబైన్ ద బోత్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్స్. ఓకే, అండర్స్టూడ్ ఎవ్రీవన్? Yes, so statement 1 is wrong. That case combine the both the statements. Statement 1 is right, not combine the second statement. Clear? Yes. So finally answer is both the statements even put together are not sufficient. Thank you, everyone. Yes, option D is the right answer. Either one or two. No. Either one or two cases are sufficient. No, one anonymous. So either one or two sufficient is not means in Codeman only 4 options is there. So that's why I take the correct answer, put it on the correct answer in Codeman and remaining 3 options. Okay, actually in your exam 5 options is given. So one is the statement 1 is sufficient, and second one statement 2 is sufficient, and third one either statement 1 or statement 2 is sufficient, and fourth one both the statements is sufficient, and last one both the sufficient statements are not sufficient. So totally 5 options is given, but in Codeman portal only 4 options is there. So that's why here 5th option is not visible. Okay. Yes, both are not sufficient. 001. Good. Okay, sir. DXC test is slot based. We can write at any time. No. Particular time is given. Some of the students is the morning section and some of the students is afternoon section. I think this is I can write everyone here college, and online or offline not confirm here. So online you are everyone is good. Offline I don't know. Okay. Any doubt today's session? Statements are like this. When was Raj's birthday? Okay. On 28th July. Not understood that problem. 2000 what is? Then what is the answer, sir? I can't understand the problem. When was Raj's birthday? Statements are like this. On 28th July and 2000. Okay, 2 statements. Okay. When was Raj's birthday? So Raj's birthday means what is your date? So first statement on 28th July directly given. So when was Raj's birthday means find the date of Raj. So first statement on 28th July is given means directly Raj's birthday is given means statement 1 is sufficient. Second, what is here? Year is given. So using this year date is not given. So statement 1 is correct answer means statement 1 is sufficient. Sir, please provide weightage of the topics. Already I was told in previous classes and phase 1 classes. So reasoning only 10 topics is asked to my side, reasoning side. So number series 2 are 2 bits, not more than 2 bits. And what is coding and decoding 1 or 2, and blood relations is 2 or 3 bits, and directions also 2 or 3 bits. And least priority is the seating arrangement. Sometimes asked to in this topic are not given. Okay. Okay, sir, please mention on which topics to focus for coding round for DXC and Capgemini. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. Please ask to Sudhir sir. Okay. So I am also only reasoning and aptitude section, arithmetic section. Okay. On which date DXC test is conducted, sir? I think July 12th or 13th. Okay. DX exam online, we can write at home, right, sir? Suppose conduct online, we can write home, no problem. Okay. But I think 99% everyone should write come into the college. Okay. Today class is understood or not? Give me reply and leave the session. Time is over and next session is 10:15. Okay. Any doubt today class? So don't miss the today and tomorrow doubt session class 7 to 8 p.m. XR is explained cognitive games. either Capgemini or IBM. Don't miss today and tomorrow 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. doubt session classes. Thank you for your valuable time, sir. Okay, thank you. Understood or not today class? Give me reply and leave the session. Yes. Time is over. Okay, sir. Clear. Good. Very good.